In the bustling marketplace where countless businesses vie for attention, there's a secret weapon that can make all the difference: customer loyalty. It's about turning one-time buyers into devoted fans, eager to return again and again. Loyal customers are the lifeblood of any thriving business. They are the ones who keep coming back, spreading the word to their friends, and becoming true advocates for your brand. Building a loyal customer base is a win-win situation for both businesses and consumers alike. Loyal customers are repeat customers, generating consistent revenue. They are your best brand ambassadors, spreading the word. Now let's talk about the benefits for customers. Loyalty programs offer perks and rewards, making customers feel valued. They foster a sense of community among customers. In a nutshell, loyalty programs benefit both businesses and customers. Now that we've established the importance of customer loyalty programs, let's dive into creating one that's right for your business. Define your program's objectives. Do you want to increase customer retention, boost sales, or enhance brand awareness? Determine how customers can earn points, what rewards you'll offer, and how they can redeem them. Consider your target audience and what would motivate them. Promote your loyalty program effectively to keep your audience engaged over time. To illustrate the power of customer loyalty programs, let's take a look at some real-world examples of companies that are doing it right. One shining example is Starbucks Rewards, a program that has become synonymous with customer loyalty in the coffee industry. Starbucks Rewards members earn stars for every purchase they make, which can be redeemed for free drinks, food, and other exclusive perks. The program is tiered, meaning that the more customers spend, the more rewards they unlock. Another successful example is Amazon Prime, a subscription-based loyalty program that offers a wide range of benefits, including free 2-day shipping, access to streaming services, and exclusive deals. Amazon Prime has been incredibly successful in driving customer loyalty and increasing customer lifetime value for the e-commerce giant. These examples highlight the importance of offering valuable rewards, making it easy for customers to earn and redeem points, and providing a seamless and enjoyable customer experience. Entice and engage. Making it irresistible. Creating a loyalty program is just the first step. Make your program enticing and engaging. Think about it from the customer's perspective. Why should they join your program? What's in it for them? Offer a sign-up bonus. Provide immediate value and make them feel appreciated. Keep your program fresh and exciting. Introduce new rewards and run special promotions. Partner with other businesses for exclusive perks. The more variety and value you provide, the more likely customers are to stay engaged. Points mean prizes. Choosing the right rewards. When it comes to choosing rewards for your loyalty program, it's crucial to strike a balance between value and attainability. The rewards should be enticing enough to motivate customers to participate, but not so expensive that they erode your profit margins. Consider offering a tiered reward system, where customers unlock increasingly valuable rewards as they progress through the program. This not only incentivizes repeat business, but also fosters a sense of accomplishment and exclusivity among your most loyal customers. Don't be afraid to get creative with your rewards. Think beyond the standard discounts and freebies. Consider offering exclusive experiences, such as early access to new products, behind-the-scenes tours, or personalized consultations. You can also tap into the power of social responsibility by offering rewards that give back to the community. For example, you could allow customers to donate their points to a charity of their choice, or offer rewards that promote sustainability or ethical consumption. Technology to the rescue. Managing your program. In today's digital age, technology plays a crucial role in managing and optimizing customer loyalty programs. There are numerous software solutions available that can help you track customer data, automate reward distribution, and gain valuable insights into customer behavior. Investing in a robust loyalty program platform can save you time and resources while providing a seamless and personalized experience for your customers. These platforms often integrate with your existing POS system, email marketing software, and other business tools, creating a centralized hub for managing your loyalty program. Moreover, data analytics tools can help you track key metrics such as customer lifetime value, redemption rates, and program ROI. By analyzing this data, you can identify areas for improvement, optimize your program for maximum effectiveness, and make data-driven decisions to enhance customer loyalty. Spread the word, promoting your program. Once you've created an amazing loyalty program, it's time to let the world know about it. Promote your program through various channels, both online and offline. Start by prominently featuring it on your website, social media pages, and email newsletters. Consider offering a referral bonus to encourage your existing customers to spread the word. Word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly powerful, especially when it comes from trusted sources. Don't underestimate the power of in-store signage, flyers, and table tents. Make sure your employees are knowledgeable about the program and can effectively communicate its benefits to customers. You can also leverage paid advertising channels such as social media ads and Google AdWords to reach a wider audience. When crafting your marketing messages, focus on the value proposition for customers and highlight the benefits of joining your program. The long game, cultivating lasting loyalty. Building true customer loyalty is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires ongoing effort, dedication, and a genuine commitment to providing exceptional customer experiences. Remember that loyalty is a two-way street. It's not just about what customers can get from you, but also about what you can do for them. Go above and beyond to exceed customer expectations. Listen to their feedback, address their concerns promptly, and show them that you value their business. Personalization is key. Use the data you collect through your loyalty program to tailor your communications, offers, and recommendations to each customer's individual needs and preferences. Cultivating lasting loyalty requires building authentic relationships with your customers. Treat them like VIPs, surprise them with unexpected perks, and make them feel like they're part of an exclusive community. Your turn. Take the leap! Now that you're armed with the knowledge and inspiration to create a successful customer loyalty program, it's time to take action. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Start by defining your program's objectives, identifying your target audience, and brainstorming reward ideas. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The best loyalty program for your business is one that's tailored to your specific goals, industry, and customer base. Don't be afraid to experiment, iterate, and continuously improve your program based on customer feedback and data analysis. The journey to building a loyal customer base may seem daunting at first, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By investing in customer loyalty, you're investing in the long-term success and sustainability of your business. A future filled with loyal customers. In today's competitive business landscape, customer loyalty is not a luxury, it's a necessity. By creating a well-designed and engaging loyalty program, you can foster lasting relationships with your customers, increase revenue, and build a brand that stands the test of time. Remember, loyalty is earned, not bought. It's about building trust, exceeding expectations, and creating a community of passionate advocates who feel valued and appreciated. So take the leap, unleash your creativity, and embark on the exciting journey of building a business fueled by loyal customers.